Hey, Super Rainbow Queen. I got it. Okay. I went to Walmart with my husband today and I got one of these water heaters, Super Rainbow Queen. And the reason I get them is because I like to clean with hot water. So I got it for like $21 and it's supposed to heat up really fast. So I got it, Super Rainbow Queen. It's really cool. So what I do es que con esta calentadora de agua que compré de Walmart, lo que hago es que la caliento mucho con la calentadora. Y cuando tengo grasa o cualquier cosa me ayuda a limpiar todo súper perfecto con agua súper caliente. It just helps me clean everything perfectly with super hot water. So yes, I got it! I'm so excited. So let's just see. Isn't that cool? So let's see, do you have to like, okay, it's already doing it. I'm like, what do you do? Bueno, se está burbujeando, las burbujas se están viendo. You can start seeing the bubbles. Bubbles. We'll see how fast. Bueno, y además es harta agua. It's a lot of water too, you know? So this is what I do to help me clean. For instance, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do, for instance, and then you guys can see that, yeah, it's very, very good. Plus, of course, I got some Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid. I know. We're getting just like, you're not supposed to. I know, but you know, I'm like, I want to have my Kool-Aid. It's delicious. So let me show you guys, really. You guys are going to remember Latina J. Because it's, you know, easy to clean with hot water. It's amazing, easy. Y ahora me llamas. Alright, let me get this guante on. Sí, tengo diferentes colores de guantes, pero no importa. De hecho es que de que tengo. Y ahora me llamas. She needs a good cleaning, baby. Now, we have this jarra that we're going to use for the hot water, okay? Esta jarra. Alright? Bueno, ya veo que está burbujeando más. In the meantime, I'm just doing some dishes in the background here. Pero sí me ayuda a limpiar bastante. Esto es una bendición para mí. Porque I don't have to go crazy scrubbing and, you know, because the hot water is a very beautiful way to get cleaning done. I'm telling you. Amazing. Okay. This is gonna be the trapo that we use. She's getting hot. Yeah, oh yeah. She's gonna be beautiful. Here she's going. Then we got these cookies now, okay? They're very good. Lightly sweetened. Not very much. Light. Well, let me show you some things that we got from the Walmart haul. You know, estas galletas a mí me encantan, me encantan, me encantan, me encantan, me encantan, me encantan. I know, but I love them. White cheddar, are you kidding? They're perfect. Okay, something I'm gonna make that I've never made before. Jumbo shells. I'm gonna be making these tomorrow. And of course, what cracker lover doesn't love their Ritz crackers with tuna fish, with peanut butter, cream cheese, or just plain coffee, the coffee. And I got my big Prego fresh mushroom. Yes, babies, I like my Prego, honey. I'm making my stuffed shells tomorrow, babies. What else did honey and me get? Oh, we got the natural peanut butter Jif. We got some tissues. Oh, we got Thomas's English muffins. So we can have egg McMuffins tomorrow in the morning time. Yes. Oh, I need to put this in the fridge. I got these for my sandwiches, you guys. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Mama loves these. Oh, yeah. Banana pepper rings. I got those. I also got some bison, ground bison, which is what we're going to be using. I got ricotta cheese. And these babies right here, honeys. That's my favorite. Yeah, we got some bison cheese. We got ricotta cheese. I got one of those big traditional pizzas. I think for like less than $6, okay? Oh, wow. Okay, that's all I need, honeys. That is way hot. Okay? Right now you will see why Latina J loves it so hot. Now, here it is. Let's show you, darlings. Now, I hope you guys can see the gunk here. What I'm going to do is wipe it. Y como el agua está caliente, mire, todo eso sale increíblemente fácil. Facilito. Ok, como no tiene jabón ni nada, se puede meter ahí dentro de la tostadora. And you go picking up with the wet rag the little crumbs, you know what I mean? And that's very, very, very nice, because then what you get to do is clean. And it doesn't get to have to be so, you know, hard. It's easy. It's a nice way to, you know, limpiar sin químicos. Agua caliente. Yeah. Really, that's why I got it. To clean nice. Because I love to clean. Okay? But I like to do things that don't require a lot sometimes of chemicals. Maybe you just want to clean and with the hot water is enough. Look, beautiful. Some trouble spots, you just leave the rug there a little longer. Right here. Can you imagine? Right there, that's it, right there. Anyways, I'm going to continue on cleaning, but I just wanted to show you guys why I got my electric thing. Basically for cleaning and whatever else, you know what I mean? Anyways, these are the shoes that my both babies used. It was both their first shoes. Anyways, have a beautiful, blessed day, and we'll talk to you más tarde. Hasta luego. Ciao.